As a dedicated chicken farmer, few things are as perplexing as when your once reliable hens suddenly halt egg production. Understanding the root causes behind this can help restore your flock's productivity. Let's delve into the common reasons why chickens stop laying eggs and explore effective solutions to get them back on track. Stress is a significant factor that can disrupt egg production. Common stressors include 1. Environmental changes, sudden alterations in the coop, introduction of new flock members, or relocation can unsettle hens. 2. Predator threats, the presence of predators, even if they don't attack, can cause anxiety among chickens. 3. Overcrowding, ensuring adequate space is crucial. Overcrowded conditions can lead to pecking and competition, increasing stress levels. Solution: maintain a calm environment, provide ample space, at least 4 square feet per chicken inside the coop and 5 to 10 square feet in the run, and protect the flock from potential predators. Molting is a natural process where chickens shed old feathers to grow new ones, typically occurring annually. During this period, energy is redirected from egg production to feather regrowth, leading to a temporary halt in laying. Solution: offer a higher protein feed during molting to support feather development and monitor their health until egg production resumes naturally. Chickens require about 16 hours of light daily to maintain optimal egg production. Shorter daylight hours, especially during winter, can lead to a decrease or cessation in laying. Solution: introduce artificial lighting in the coop to extend daylight hours, ensuring it's gradual to prevent stress. A balanced diet is essential for consistent egg production. Deficiencies in key nutrients, particularly protein and calcium, can impede laying. Solution: provide a high-quality layer feed formulated with the necessary nutrients. Supplement with calcium sources like oyster shells and occasionally offer protein-rich treats such as mealworms. Water is vital for egg formation. Even short periods without access to clean water can cause hens to stop laying. Solution: ensure a constant supply of fresh, clean water. Regularly check waterers to confirm they're functioning correctly and free from contaminants. Some hens may become broody, meaning they have the instinct to hatch eggs and will sit on them persistently. During this phase, they cease laying. Solution: to discourage broodiness, regularly collect eggs and consider temporarily isolating the broody hen in a separate pen without nesting materials to break the behavior. A hen's age significantly influences her laying capacity. Most breeds begin laying between 18 to 20 weeks of age. After a few years, egg production naturally declines. Solution: maintain a mixed-age flock to ensure continuous egg production and consider introducing new pullets as older hens retire. Illnesses, parasites, or infections can adversely affect egg laying. Symptoms may include lethargy, abnormal droppings, or physical abnormalities. Solution: regularly inspect your flock for signs of illness. Implement routine health checks, provide deworming treatments as needed, and consult a veterinarian if health concerns arise. Understanding these factors and implementing the appropriate solutions can help restore your hen's egg production. For a comprehensive guide on sustainable backyard chicken farming, consider downloading our ebook, Sustainable Backyard Chicken Farming Guide. This resource offers valuable insights into best practices, ensuring a healthy and productive flock. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. Have you encountered challenges with your hen's egg production? Share your experiences and solutions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on chicken farming and sustainable agriculture.